Hey there, amazing people. Welcome back to our channel, where we're always on the lookout for ways to make your life a little bit better. Today's video is all about turning those cozy little spaces into an oasis of openness. Yup, you guessed it, we're talking about 10 brilliant ways to make your small space look and feel bigger. So, grab a cup of your favorite beverage and let's dive right in. 1. Lighten up your colors. First things first, let's talk colors. Opt for light, bright hues to create an illusion of spaciousness. Whites, creams, and soft pastels are your best friends here. These tones reflect light, making your space feel airy and open. Say goodbye to those dark, moody walls, and hello to a brighter, more expansive vibe. 2. Strategic furniture placement. Now, let's tackle furniture. It's like a game of spatial chess. Strategic placement is key. Consider multifunctional furniture that serves more than one purpose, and don't be afraid to float your furniture away from the walls. This gives the illusion of depth and makes the room feel larger. 3. Mirror magic. Time for a bit of magic. Mirror magic, that is, mirrors are the unsung heroes of small spaces. They reflect both natural and artificial light, creating the illusion of extra square footage. Consider placing them opposite windows to maximize the effect. It's like adding a secret passage to Narnia, only with more reflection and fewer mythical creatures. 4. Declutter like a pro. Now, let's Marie Kondo our way to more space. Clutter can make even the roomiest spaces feel cramped. Get rid of the unnecessary and embrace the minimalist lifestyle. Invest in smart storage solutions to keep your essentials tucked away neatly, making your small space feel open and organized. 5. Scale down your decor. Size matters, especially when it comes to decor. Opt for smaller scale furniture and accessories to avoid overwhelming your space. It's all about creating a harmonious balance. Big statement pieces might be tempting, but in a small space, less is definitely more. 6. Let there be light. Shed some light on the situation. Literally, good lighting can do wonders for opening up a space. Maximize natural light by choosing sheer curtains or blinds, and when the sun sets, layer your lighting with a mix of ambient, task, and accent lights. It not only brightens things up but adds depth to your small sanctuary. 7. Play with patterns. Time to play with patterns, folks. Vertical stripes, in particular, can draw the eye upward, creating the illusion of height. Whether it's on your walls, furniture, or even in your decor, a well-placed pattern can add visual interest and make your space feel more expansive. 8. Go vertical with storage. We're going vertical, and I'm not talking about your dance moves. Utilize vertical space with tall shelves and cabinets. This not only provides more storage but draws the eye upward, making your small space feel taller. It's like building a skyscraper of organization in your very own home. 9. Transparent furniture FTW. Time to get transparent with your furniture choices. Glass or acrylic furniture pieces are perfect for small spaces. They are visually light, allowing the eye to move through the space effortlessly. It's like having furniture that's there, but also not there. The ultimate small space hack. 10. The power of green. Last but not least, let's bring in the green power. Houseplants not only add a touch of nature to your space but also create a sense of depth. Go for vertical plants or hanging planters to maximize floor space. Plus, they're a stylish way to improve your air quality. And there you have it, our top 10 tips for making your small space look and feel bigger. Remember, it's all about creating a sense of openness, maximizing every inch, and embracing the beauty of your cozy sanctuary. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let us know in the comments which tip you're excited to try out. Until next time, stay fabulous and make the most of your space.